Now, your Storm Tracker team forecast with Chief Meteorologist Sam Parrish.
Welcome back, everyone. Wow, we had quite a bit of storm activity this morning with the multiple tornado warnings, the lightning fires, and rainfall. In fact, we had almost an inch officially at Baton Rouge Airport in the last 24 hours. Many places had close to an inch or over an inch, like Plaquemine at 1.7 there, 1.8 down in Franklin. But check out Henderson, 2.5 inches in just the last 24 hours. That's on top of the rainfall that we've already had. So we definitely are not in a drought situation, that's for sure. Here's a look at the storm report. You can see some flash flooding that occurred over in Bow Bridge, a tornado just south of Alexandria, and the wind damage that occurred in Point Capee Parish and also Westfell Parish this morning, and then some hail even reported on the southeastern side of Baton Rouge. So it was quite a stormy night across the area. So we deserve a quiet night tonight. And right now you can see in the Livonia area, nothing really going on radar. Here's a look at the pollen count. Now today we were looking at the medium category, but tomorrow it's going to get back up into high, and that will continue into Wednesday as well. Most of that bald cypress, oak, and grass pollens. Right now we're looking at temperatures in the upper 70s to low 80s, 80 in Plaquemine. I think this 86 is a little bit overdoing it. There might be a problem with the sensor there. 80 in Laplace, 81 in Thibodaux, and 79 for our friends down in Morgan City. Here's a look at the wider view. You can see the big storm complex that was over us this morning has now pushed off to the east into the part of the northern part of Florida and southern Georgia with some severe thunderstorms there, but nothing like that tonight. We're expecting mostly fair skies. We're going to go into a zonal pattern for most of the week, and we're expecting some record heat or close to it in our forecast as we go through time. You can see on Tuesday we're going to be watching a trough of low pressure developing in the northern plains. Most of that energy is going to stay to the north, but look at this deep trough that's going to form on the west coast. That system is slowly going to move its way towards us as we go towards the weekend, which means we're looking at another round of severe weather possible this coming weekend. But in the meantime, we're going to have south winds bringing up the moisture and also the heat. We're going to be looking at temperatures in the upper 80s to lower 90s, which is close to record territory for our area. And then on Wednesday, you can see the south winds continuing into Thursday, and that will continue right on into Friday with most of the storminess up to the north this week. But then as we head towards the weekend, that's when things start to go downhill once again. Temperatures tonight are going to be pleasant, generally in the 50s to the north, 60s south. And then tomorrow afternoon, lots of sunshine, winds out of the south. We might see an isolated storm with highs in the lower 80s. And then as we go into Wednesday morning, lows near 70. And then in the afternoon, highs in the upper 80s. And it only gets hotter after that. In fact, a record high of 90 on Thursday, close to the record on Friday. And then more storms as we go into Saturday night into early Sunday. All right, stay with us. We have more coming up right after this.